and gentlemen, the Maestro plays. Written by Bill Martin, Jr., pictures by Vladimir Radunsky. The Maestro plays. He plays proudly. He plays loudly. He plays slowly. He plays oldly. He plays reachingly. He plays beseechingly. He plays flowingly, glowingly, knowingly, showingly, goingly. Now he is playing singingly. He is playing ringingly, wingingly, swingingly, flingingly, tingingly. Faster, faster! He plays busily. He plays dizzily. He stops. He mops his brow. The maestro begins playing again mildly, but suddenly he's playing wildly. He bows furiously. He jabs. He stabs. He soars. He slaps the strings. He plays trippingly. He plays skippingly. He plays sweepingly, leapingly, cheapingly, faster, faster. He plays nippingly, drippingly, zippingly, clippingly, pippingly, rippingly. The concert is over.